Alright, so quick video how to remove your radiator, okay? Get yourself a size 10 like this. These, okay? Real simple, okay? I got 1, 2, 3 bolts already, okay? Look. One bolt right here. One bolt holding the radiator. Right there, that's 2, 3. This one's right here. 4, 5, and 6, okay? It's right at that piece is right under the bumper, you'll see it. Well, basically, pull your bumper off. There you go, it's that simple. Let me get this one, I'll come back to the video. Okay, unscrew the last screw, take this out. That's what holds the radiator in place. Now, this thing's gonna be able to move back and forth, okay? This is basically shaped like the letter T. Alright, so besides unplugging the radiator fan, which that's one right there, and the other one is right there. Now, when you go under the car, because obviously you have to bleed it out. Where is, yeah, it goes, I can feel it. You can't see it, but I can feel it. So, this right here, okay, this is the bottom of the T right here, okay? So you can look at the engine from the front, it goes like this, and then the letter T comes down. Keep following right over here. Mine I have screwed in right here. This was gonna hold the bottom of the T in, that little ugly thing right there, with washers and a bolt. Now this thing over here, that I was just looking at earlier, I actually closed off my drain. I plugged up my drain, so I want to turn that to open it. Besides that, over here would be like just a little plastic thing that looks like a butterfly, and all you have to do is just turn it and it'll drain out. You can see right here, you can see that clamp. Obviously you're going to pinch with, where's my thing at? With this thing, you can pinch it through here. And then the other one, after you pull the T out, you'll be able to stick your hand inside here easily, and you'll be able to grab that other one that's over there. You should be able to see it. That's what's connected to the thermostat. There's another piece right there. Once you pull those two out, you'll be able to drain the system out, let it all flush out, pull this T out, and this radiator is actually supposed to just come right up. You can pull it up with the fans and stuff. Alright, real simple. Okay, so let me just tell you, you know, story of my life, like that's the way cars are, you know what I mean? Everything always breaks. Because this one's bigger than OEM, you have to squeeze it basically through here, and I was basically getting stuck on this part of the car right here, and on this corner, so I had to pull one fan out, and when I went to pull one fan out, I broke one bolt, and I broke the other bolt. Also, just so people can see the 2 points at the bottom? That sits right inside 1 and 2. See? 1 and 2. Okay, that sits right there, just chilling, and then these 2 bolts connect right here, just in case anybody wants to change their fan. While you have this out, if you ever want to change your, thermostat, thermostat is right here. Simple. 1, 2, and then the third one is on the other side. Obviously, make sure you drain out the system because a whole bunch of coolant's going to come out. But this is your thermostat. It's so easy to pull out. You know, for boosted cars, people are saying sometimes to keep it cool, you should take out your thermostat and stuff. But if I wasn't tuned on it, I'm not going to do it, like what the tuner's saying and stuff. So he's saying if I wasn't tuned on it, don't do it. So leave it alone. So I'm leaving it alone right now. But that's your thermostat, man. It's mad easy to take out. A lot of times people just take out this this big T-bar and stuff to get to it. Okay, let me just put this sucker back on. Oh, and I got the piece welded and stuff over here. Cleaned up the inside and everything, made it work. Okay, so I just installed the thing back. I got 4 bolts I gotta put over here. The only thing I recommend is before you put the T-bar back on, that you make sure that you put some WD-40 right there, put some right there, and yeah, I'm gonna have to hold up this fan with a zip tie. Oh well, should be good. And that should be the end of it. Brand new welding, aluminum welding. I gotta cover it if you can't really see. But paid like $30 for one of my boys. Alright. Not bad. That should be it. Okay, and which one called 2 more spots that you should hit with rust, which is right here and right there, because this belongs over here. That thing's gonna be over there chillaxing, right there hanging out. And the other one goes right. Okay, zip tie's not gonna work. Okay, this one goes right here. Want to fix that up, but yeah, that's about it, man. You know, tie it up, and then your bumper, everything else should be good. You know what I mean? All right. Anything else I missed? Just leave me a question or comment. Oh, and when you change the radiator, by the way, just so I don't forget, put something like this, like pointy, all the way, and then take it and press it down like this. Fill it up all the way, leave a little bit of antifreeze like this, turn on the car, put the heat on high, put the AC on if your AC is working, and you see the bubbles coming out of here. If you get bored, you can squeeze this once in a while and you see bubbles come out and stuff. But let it bleed out for at least a half an hour, okay? Or 15 minutes, whatever. I'm gonna wait a whole half an hour because I want this whole thing, I don't want no problems with this thing overheating. So look, this is what I'm doing. Just filled it up. It's just doing it on its own, just chilling right now. Got all the bolts on. I put already one container inside, and like every 2 seconds I have the car kind of jacked up a little bit. See, it's just burping itself slowly. So I'm gonna wait till this thing completely burps out, and I'm gonna turn on the car and then blast the heat and everything. But besides that, see the end product. New condenser, new radiator, little thing burping. The loudest blow valve in the world. Come on, burp one more time. Come on, don't be shy now. Burp, burp. Let me hit the car more. There we go.